Hello everyone, welcome to the dashboard. This video is going to be very important for project managers and Scrum Masters who collect and analyze project metrics. So far, we have seen how we were creating Power BI dashboard from the source data of our Excel sheet. But collecting project metrics in Excel sheet is an extra overhead and consumes lots of time. What if we directly connect the Power BI with the Azure DevOps where we are managing our projects? It will save lots of time and also it will reduce the human error. Hi, my name is Sandeep. Today I am going to walk you through how you can integrate these two powerful tools, Power BI and Azure DevOps, to create Power BI dashboard efficiently.
Let's open the Power BI desktop. Here you can see the get data and you can click more, type Azure DevOps and you will see Azure DevOps boards only, and if you are using Azure DevOps server, so you can connect to the server as well. Let me show you how to connect to the Azure DevOps boards. It will ask you your organization name and team project. If you open the Azure DevOps where you are managing your project, in the left side you can see the organization name is the dashboards, and this is your project name. So let me copy the organization name and paste in the organization, and my project name is Power BI demo project. I'm copying this. I copied the project name here and click on OK. And all and you can see that all your Azure DevOps data is coming here. Now, which work item you want, you can directly select from here. Let me select all the work items, all history by month, all the work items I'm selecting, and I'm loading the data. Your entire project data from the Azure DevOps is loaded directly into the Power BI now, and you can create your dashboard very easily. Let me show you to create one pie chart and one column chart. Let me show you the pie chart first. Let's create a work item type. Let me show you the state and work item type. You can see that how many are in to do, how many are in done and doing. So this is how you can directly create the now you can see that you can directly create the Power BI dashboard charts here. Let me show you creating one column charts where I want to get in x-axis the iteration path, and in the y-axis I want, so your column chart is ready. Now you can see that this data is directly coming from the Azure DevOps. You don't have to do any extra work. Directly, it will be refreshed every time you refresh it from here. Your Azure DevOps data will be refreshed. So you no need to collect your metrics in Excel sheet. You can directly connect to the Azure DevOps and you can create your Power BI dashboard. This is very, very easy. Show you. Now let me show you how you can connect from OData. Go to Get Data, click on OData Feed. This is another way of connecting the Power BI with the Azure DevOps. Click on, now you need to have this URL. I will provide you this URL in the description. Here you just have to replace your organization name and project name. I have replaced the organization name and project name here. Copy this data and paste in the URL. Click on OK and it will be connecting to your Azure DevOps. There is some authentication issue with my login. That's why it is not connecting. But if you are connecting from your company or in your office, you can directly connect. Go to the organizational account and sign in. It will sign into your Azure DevOps, and Power BI will be integrated with the Azure DevOps. This is also very easy.
I hope today's video helped you to understand how we can integrate Power BI with the Azure DevOps. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified on my next video. My next video on Power BI will be coming very soon. Thanks for watching.